Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make AI emoji on iPhone iOS 18. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. At first open your iPhone settings, click on to General, to software update, make sure to update your iOS 18. So I'm already update my iOS 18.2. Scroll down, go to main setting page and click on Apple Intelligent and Siri. Make sure to enable this, I'm already enabled. And go out, open your any conversation, click on to sticker icon and then showing it to this option, just click on and type your anything, like press on to done and you just wait a few seconds, then you get this relative and you get relative sticker, then you get related sticker and select on and wait more second, then you get more and suggest more, select from, so I'm select this, then successfully add sticker. So now check, so look here, now successfully add this sticker. So that's it, that's how you can do it.